Welcome to AI Toolkit Online. In this video, we'll introduce the brand voice feature. It's a tool designed to create consistent, personalized messaging for your business. So to get started, log into your dashboard, select the brand voice feature here. This tool helps you define and replicate your business's unique tone and style across all communications. So begin by entering your brand guidelines. You can see I have a couple set up already. To do that, you would just go to New Company and just follow the prompts. Let's take a look at an existing one for Olympia Point Ventures, and you can see how it was set up. So you can define your preferred tones, such as professional, friendly, creative, provide sample messages that reflect your style. So upload, let's see. So to start, you go through the initial routine of setting up your company name. You identify the industry that your business is in, and you can add new. This would be the logo section. So you would add your logo here as well as input a description here and keep following the prompts. You have your website address and so on. The nice thing is that with if you put in a website, it will go and train on information coming from your website. You've got a tagline, you've got a tone of voice that you can set. So for our line of business, which is revenue operations, it would be professional tone. You set your target audience, who your ICP is essentially your customer profile. And then you can also up here, actually here, this is actually the logo section, and up above here you can add in multiple works such as PDFs, product PDFs, and so on. Brand color, identify a brand color so it remains consistent throughout. Products or services, you simply add with each plus sign, you can add in what your core services are. Business consulting strategy. What is it? Is it a product or a service, or is it something different? Key features, and on and on and on. So you continue to do this until you get your core product line or solution set line down. Once you hit save, you probably saw in other videos where you could go in and add your brand voice content, and that makes it nice so that your generated content remains consistent. So once your brand voice is set, the AI generates content that aligns with your tone, whether it's an email, social media post, or blog headline. Your messaging stays consistent. You can refine the AI generated content to ensure it fits perfectly with your campaign or specific messaging goals. So save your brand voice settings for future use, store generated content in the documents section, or export it directly for sharing. So the brand voice feature ensures your messaging is always aligned with your identity. Log in today and start building consistency with AI Toolkit Online.